All right, so I'm just going to quickly place some buy entries. That lot size is quite big, although my account is actually very big also. I'm just going to for those of you though who are trading small accounts, you should also consider using small lot size. All right, so I have just placed a couple of positions, and I am confident that this trade is going to give me a couple of candlesticks before I'm out of the market. All right, before a quick spike. But now this strategy works very effectively. Yeah, I have shared a video of how the strategy works to on how to catch a couple of candlesticks on the bull market. Sorry, I'm a little distracted here. So I shared a video previously on how to catch a few candlesticks on the bull market. Now I'm trying to show you guys how it works for the crash markets. Okay, like you see, I have just created some entries. I've just made some entries, but for the crash market, guys, it's very tricky. All right, it's very tricky. So you need to always ensure that one very important condition is met before you even place an entry. All right, it's very tricky because the crash market would always crash faster than the bull market. That's what I've noticed. Okay, the crash 1000 market especially, and then crash 500 too. All right, so it's very tricky, but you can still catch a couple of candlesticks and leave the market without stress. All right, so how do you do it? You first of all need to ensure that the market is in an upward direction. Okay, this is for crash markets. If you watch the previous video where I was talking about the bull market, I was saying that the direction of the market has to be downwards for you to be able to scalp. Now I am saying that the direction of the market has to be upwards for the crash market for you to be able to scalp. This is still on scalping. This strategy actually will help you catch spikes. I'm going to share a video on that. I don't want to add it to this video so it won't be too long. Somebody commented on my video, one of my videos, that I need to make it short because data cost is quite expensive, and I really understand that. So I've caught just one candlestick yet. All right, the second one is going right now. Yeah, and for the record, this is where I intend to be out of the market in case this doesn't go well. This is where I intend to leave the market in case it doesn't go well. All right, if you use a very reasonable lot size, you can see that you are going to actually lose just about $1 plus. Now the spike might go further below that SL. Okay, that is still not a reason why you shouldn't put an SL. Okay, if you have watched my videos consistently, you see that I talked about this in one of my videos. You put an SL because sometimes there can be multiple spikes, but the first one, when it takes you out, it will reduce your chances of losing more. All right, but if you didn't have an SL already, and then you get caught up with multiple spikes at the same time, then you have a lot more to lose. All right, so yeah, we've got 2 candlesticks already and a couple of more to go. All right, so how does this strategy work? It's very easy, guys. It's very easy, guys. I'm just going to show you guys. This is for the sake of this video though. All right, I really am not going to lose too much if a spike happens. I don't care, because I've already made a lot of profit today already. Now this is for the sake of this video. I'm just making this trade to show you how effective this strategy is. Now look at this, guys. Whenever price comes to this region, this is the oversold region. Okay, this is the oversold region. Whenever price sells down to this region and it enters really down into this region, all right, and then it starts going up. If it starts going up from this region, it's okay to buy, but you need a lot of confluences to have higher chances of winning. All right, so on the main charts, you need to actually wait to see that the candlesticks cross the moving average on the main chart. All right, make sure it crosses the moving average on the main chart. Now listen to me. You can use you can use the third zoom level, yeah, if you are an Android user, or the second zoom level if you are an iPhone user. Okay, whatever works for you. You should always understand that the zoom level thing is how you set your screen and how it works for you. So the zoom level 2 and 3 might work for you. The zoom 2 might work for you. The zoom level 3 might also work for you. So you have to set it right. Okay, now how many candlesticks have we caught already? Let's count that. 1, 2, 3. The fourth one is processing. So this strategy is likely to give you up to 10 candlesticks. All right, but like I said, the crash market is always very tricky, so you need to be careful. You are dealing with money right here, so you have to treat it as business. All right, so you catch a couple of candlesticks and you're out of the market, and you go and probably look for more better opportunities, and you make more money. You just have to sit yourself down. You just have to sit down and do these things over and over. Look for opportunities. You don't have to stay put on one trade, because you are trading against the spikes, and you know what happens when the spike comes. All right, so you are trading against the spikes, so you have to always just be as smart as you can be, and take profit out, and then look for another opportunity, take profit out, look for more opportunities, take profit out. If you do it consistently in a day, you can make up to $1,000, $500, as the case may be. Whatever your target is, you always have to have a goal. All right, you have to have a set goal always. All right, so you can see we've crossed how many candlesticks already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candlesticks are formed already. 5 good candlesticks, guys. 5 good candlesticks, guys. This would give you a lot of profit, guys. Only these 5 alone, you've made a lot of money. All right, so the 6th one is processing. So how does this strategy work? Okay, so like I said, you just have to allow the black line here. You have to allow always allow the black line here on your indicator window to come down to the oversold region here, right? And then when it goes back up, sorry about that, when it goes back up, all right, and then you will also have to observe that on the main chart here, that the candlesticks have crossed your moving average on the main chart. I'm going to show you guys the setup ASAP. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the setup ASAP, but just listen to me, make sure you pay attention and understand it perfectly, because you're dealing with money. You just might lose money if you don't follow attentively. All right, so let me show you guys more example. You can see this was my entry right here. You can see how many times, how many candlesticks have been cut already. All right, so you can see that here price had gotten to this level. Price had gotten the black line here, had gotten to this region, and then it has started going back. All right, allow it always to pull back up, and then allow it to always cross your moving average on the main chart, and then you stand higher chances, guys. You stand higher chances. So look at that. See how many candlesticks you can catch using this strategy. See how many candlesticks you can catch using this strategy. Each time it crosses the black line on your main chart, that's the moving average line on your main chart, you see a lot of candlestick goes, a lot of candlesticks goes. All right, so always allow it, like I said, to get down to this region, and then go for your money, guys. Go for your money, guys. All right, this might not happen all the time, but 90 to 95% of the times it works. So you just have to stay put, like I said, and out of 10 trades, you just might win 8, just might win 7, as the case may be, and you know what that means. You make a lot of profit. Now count how many candlesticks you have here with me. This sorry about that. You see, we have, after it crossed this line, after it crossed the black moving average line here, you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Ideally, I would close out just around this region, even around this region. Do you know why? Let me show you guys. Why. Now, price, when it gets to this other structure, this particular structure here, price tend to spike around this area. All right, when it gets to the previous highs, it just might want to show itself. All right, so that's why it's important that whenever you catch some candlesticks close to the previous high, you need to opt out of the market. All right, by that time you would have made up to like 20 candlesticks, guys. 20 is not child's play, guys. You'd be in good profit by that time. You'd be in good profit. So if I keep back testing, you keep seeing that this works, guys. This works almost all the damn time, guys. Almost all the I didn't say all the time, but almost all. I need to be real with you guys. It doesn't work all the time, but trust me, guys, almost all the damn time, as far as you follow instructions properly. Look at that, guys. Look at that. How many candlesticks can you count there? Right, how many candlesticks? Sorry about that. This guy, I'm trying to bring you to this other side. Good. You see? So you always allow it to come to this region, and then you allow it to cross your moving average on the main chart here, and then you strike. All right, guys. So what is the setup, guys? I'm going to show you guys ASAP. But before I show you guys, if you are new to this channel, guys, ensure to subscribe to this channel, guys, because I have a lot of more free information to share with you guys. Ensure to share the video to your friends. Ensure to drop a like. Ensure to drop a comment telling me how you enjoyed the video, on also things you want me to improve on, things you want me to share with you guys, more information you want me to share with you guys, so that I can know where exactly to tackle and bring some free knowledge to you guys. All right, so ensure to also click on the description, click on our Telegram link right on the description of this video, and you will join our Telegram, guys. Join our free Telegram, where you have much more free information, free signals. It is free. You just have to be a part to partake. Okay, you have to be a part. You have to be in that group to be able to partake in what we have there. All right, you can also reach out to me on WhatsApp using the number that I will leave on the description of this video. I'll leave my WhatsApp link on the description of this video, so you can always reach out to me directly, guys. You can always reach out to me directly. Okay, if you want to join our VIP group, it's very affordable. You want to join our mentorship program, it is very affordable, guys, and we drill you guys on how to do these things even without the use of these indicators, guys. You need to be able to understand price action. It's still very, very mandatory that if you want to be in this business for a long time, for the long term, you need to have a fair knowledge of price action. So that's what we teach on the mentorship class, so that you won't even have to be trading just the synthetic indices. You can trade many other financial markets. All right, guys. So let me show you guys quickly. Let me just show you guys the setup. All right, so we will need moving average on the main chart. All right, so the parameters remain period 10, shift 1 method, linear weighted, yeah, and then apply to close. You don't need any levels, so that's going to be blank. And then the time frame should be all time frames. The style, you leave it at 3 pixel. Make sure that the colors you choose are visible on your screen. Like, I'm using the white background. My chart is the white background, so my colors are dark. All right, you can see I'm using the black background here, the black color, I mean. So you just simply click done when you're done with that, and then you go next. You go to the next one. You add the commodity channel index, CCI. This time period 100. Apply to typical price. You will see a lot of options, so you choose typical price. I mean, level should be 0, 0, right? So just include that 0, 0, and you click done, and then allow it on all time frames, and use black colors, dark colors if you are using the bright background. Okay, click done when you're done with that, and then go to the next one and add your relative strength index. You need this, guys. So period 12, apply to median price. This time around, levels should be 90, 10, 20, and 80, guys. All right, choose black color if you are using a bright background. Choose dark colors if you are using a bright background, and bright colors if you're using the dark background. Okay, I'm sure you understand what that means. So you just simply click done when you're done with that, and then for here, the style here, after you've set up the levels, when you come back to this page, allow your style here, the color, allow it to be the same as the background of your chart. Okay, you're using the black background, allow it to be the black background. If you're using the white background, allow it to be the white background. All right, so you click done, and you should have the setup already. All right, you should have the setup already. So guys, this is very easy. It's very easy. You just have to understand how it works. You can see, guys, how much profit has been made. You can see how many candlesticks have been cut. So I'm just gonna end this video here, so I can take out my money. I didn't even know it was going to come this far, but damn, this strategy is very effective, guys. It's very effective. So I'll see you guys on the next video, and then until then, guys, take care of yourselves and be good.